Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Amatya, and in this video I'm going to show you an interesting project on fourth project of ESP32 Basic Starter Kit. Are you excited? So let's start. For this project we need ESP32 development board, temperature sensor, LCD display, breadboard, jumper wires and buzzer. I have connected temperature sensor with ESP32, VCC with VN, data with digital pin 4, GND with GND. Then I have connected LCD with ESP32, GND with GND, VCC with VN, SDA with digital pin 21, SCL with digital pin 22. Then I have connected buzzer with ESP32, positive pin with digital pin 26 and negative pin with GND. I'm in Arduino IDE. I have already done coding, so I will give the code in description. So let's see the code. Here in this code, I have connected temperature sensor in GPIO4 and buzzer in pin 26. In line 11, I have taken 25 degrees Celsius as threshold, which means if the temperature rises above 25 degrees Celsius, the buzzer will make sound, and display shows temperature and also displays temperature rising, so you can change temperature according to your room temperature. Now I will show you the demonstration. Now I will upload the code. Now the code is successfully uploaded. Now you can see in display my room temperature is 24.5 degrees Celsius and temperature is stable. Now I will take heat closer to temperature sensor. Now you can see the display shows the temperature above 25 degrees Celsius and displays temperature rising, and buzzer makes sound, and when I release my hand from the temperature sensor, it will decrease and buzzer stops making sound and displays temperature stable. Thank you for watching my video, and please do like, share, subscribe my channel. I'll be making more videos like this. Bye bye.